Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to download a FlipGrid application on your iPhone. Watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you have not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss an update from us. In order to download FlipGrid application on your iPhone, first, make sure you're connected to a strong internet. Once you go to the App Store, from the app drawer in the search box at the top, type in FlipGrid and search right at the top in the search results. You should see this application right here. This was the app that we are looking for. Simply tap on the Get button to start the downloading process. Confirm your identity and wait for the application to finish with the download. FlipGrid is a video tool that is widely popular among teachers and students. It allows teachers to post topics that are most probably videos with some accompanying text, which makes it easier for them to create an open platform of discussion and learning with their students. Once the application finishes with a download, tap on the Open button to launch the app open. That is how you'll be able to download the FlipGrid application on your iPhone. Simply join in with the code that your teacher has provided to you or sign in with your existing account and you'll be good to go. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.